My name is Denham Campbell, and this is about orange juice. Just see, right? And I'm gonna drink this orange juice so fast. I'm just gonna drink it fast. Okay? Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Come on. Wait a minute. Time out. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Like I said, this is the orange juice. And this is my milk. I'm gonna drink this orange juice. I'm gonna drink the orange juice so fast that it can blow your mind away. Are y'all ready? Yes! Yes! Okay. 3, 2, 1. Man, that was good. Okay, so I will see you later. Bye.